Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, today our topic is life in the tropical and subtropical region. Okay, the tropical and subtropical regions of the world are endowed with a rich biodiversity. Okay, and what is the meaning of biodiversity? Biodiversity means the number and types of plants and animals, species that exist in a particular environmental area, or we can say in the world generally, in the world. These regions means tropical and subtropical regions have great economic potential which needs to be well managed. Economic potential means the total capacity of nation to produce goods and services. Okay, these regions, subtropical and tropical regions, also have a large number of edible plants. Edible plants means suitable or safe for eating, which can be collected on commercial basis. Commercial means related to buying and selling things. Okay, commercial means related to buying and selling things. Okay, humans have remained dependent on natural resources for food, shelter, cloth, etc. Okay, now Amazon rainforest. Amazon rainforest is the largest tropical rainforest, okay, in the world. It is very dense. Amazon rainforest is very dense and has the largest species of flora and fauna, with more and more species still being discovered. The entire Amazon basin is covered by these forests, which take up a huge area. In the northern half of the continent of South America. Okay, which are called salvies. Okay, in some rainforest means in Amazon rainforest. In some rainforest, people live in one part of the forest. In one part of the forest, where they hunt animals and grow basic crops. What do they there? they hunt and grow crops. Then they move to another site. Okay. To give the soil to chance to recover. Then they move to another site and give the chance to recover. Sometime people burn a patch of forested land to clear the area to grow crops for themselves and their families. For what? For growing crops. After the fertility of the land is exhausted, they move on further. When the fertility of this land is exhausted, they move on further to clear another patch of land for cultivation. This method means to burn a patch of forested land, then to move on further to clear another patch of land for cultivation. This method of cultivation is called slash and burn. Slash and burn. Okay. People in Amazon rainforest, Amazon basin, Amazon area grow crops such as sweet potato, pineapple, bananas and bananas. People in the Amazon area grow crops such as sweet potato, pineapple and banana using this method, using slash and burn method. Okay, this is a primitive method. Okay, some people living in Amazon basin, Amazon area, still follow a traditional way of life and spend time hunting, fishing and growing crops. Many people have taken advantage of modern technology such as using engines in their boat. Modern, or we can say advanced technology or modern technology, using engines in boats. Okay, many people have taken advantage of modern technology such as using an engine in their boat. The area is rich in mineral resources. There are mineral resources. This area means the area of Amazon basin is rich in mineral resources such as gold, iron ore, copper and various other mineral resources. Okay, this has encouraged mining on a large scale. So in Amazon basin, in Amazon area, mining is on a large scale. The mighty Amazon river. This is mighty Amazon river. Okay. The mighty Amazon and its tributaries flow through the forest, providing a vital transport route. The Amazon River and its tributaries provide a vital transport route. Okay. They are important source of water for the native people who live in forest villages. People who live Amazon area, Amazon region, in forest villages, they have the source of water from Amazon river. The rainforest today the rainforest is disappearing at an alarming rate. The Amazon rainforest is disappearing at an alarming rate because of logging for the timber industry. And for the road building. And another reason, clearing up space for cattle farming. Clearing up space for cattle farming or for crop planting. Okay, all these activities has resulted in soil becoming poorer. Okay, so it cannot support grazing and cropping for long, and the farmers move on to a new place. In this way, even more of the forest area is lost. Okay, the destruction of rainfall does not only mean a loss of habitat for animals and plants, but the bare landscape leads to soil erosion. Scientists believe that the loss of so many trees may affect the world's climate. So many trees may affect the world's climate. Okay, this was what about Amazon rainforest. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.